Are affiliates in demand? Is there a demand for affiliate online marketers today? Yes, there is a big need. One of the difficulties dealt with in the affiliate marketing industry is that it often sounds too great to be real, advertising that's guaranteed to work or it's free. Beginners wonder if it's possible, and doubters claim that the expensive reliable rates of affiliate marketing lowers the bar for online marketing. However, there is a great factor that affiliate marketing has experienced steady growth throughout the ups and downs of online marketing. It works. And affiliate marketing has actually evolved to end up being a reputable source of sales for a vast array of online marketers. Affiliate marketing has evolved from the earlier years when some promoted it as the future of online marketing, and others declared it was the failure of the medium. It's now an advanced channel that creates anywhere from 5 to 25% of online sales for a lot of the world's greatest brands. The idea of a wide-open affiliate program with an unrestrained and limitless number of affiliates is a thing of the past. Almost all marketers concur that affiliates add value to an online marketing effort, but the program should be tailored to fulfill the marketer's goals. Affiliate marketing did not bring an end to other, higher-priced types of online media marketing. The success of affiliate marketing in delivering sales expense effectively by method of a pay-for-performance design paved the way for other types of performance-based marketing, such as CPA-based search and portal advertising, to create approval among direct marketers. Affiliate marketing has actually evolved, with affiliates and marketers ending up being more sophisticated and programs more integrated with other kinds of online marketing. The concept of a wide-open affiliate program with an uncontrolled and limitless number of affiliates is a thing of the past. The success of affiliate marketing in delivering sales costs successfully by way of a pay-for-performance design paved the method for other types of performance-based marketing, such as CPA-based search and portal marketing, to produce acceptance amongst direct online marketers. Affiliate marketing has actually evolved, with affiliates and marketers becoming more advanced and programs more incorporated with other types of online marketing. Thank you for looking at my video from Ian Jackson.